How to turn Android phone display black and white. For this, you want to open up your settings and scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Over here, you want to tap on Software Information. Now find build number. Once you find it, you want to tap on it 7 times. Now here you will have to enter your current PIN. After this, your developer mode has been enabled. Now head back. And on your settings, right at the bottom, you're going to find Developers Options. Tap on that option. Now here you need to scroll all the way down until you find the option of Simulate Color Space. Tap on that option and you want to select Monochromacy. Once you have done that, if you head back, here you can see your phone has been turned to black and white. Now, if you want to change your display from black and white to normal, you just want to open up your settings, tap on Developers option again and find the option of Simulate Color Space again and tap on Disabled. Once you do that, here you can see it has been turned back to normal. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.